share. Yes, Yashni.
Ma'am, you have given some homework.
Yes, ma'am. You told us that you will see the websites today.
Oh, okay. Yes, fine. Okay. Then anybody who has done it, just tell me. Kushagra, no? Kushagra, your DP is interesting over here. Okay, Rachit, I'm going to make you a presenter so you can share your screen and your website. I've made you a presenter. You can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So I'll stop my share here. Let everybody see, and I want everybody to see what Rachit has prepared. One by one, I'll give a chance to everyone. Yes, Rachit, we are waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
Demonstrate it fully. Okay, lot many things you created in your web page. Good. Okay.
Ma'am, can I give you the remote controls? Then you can use it.
No, you show me. You demonstrate it
Yes, ma'am.
and keep explaining also which all features you have used.
Ma'am, this project is created in a group.
In a group, who all are there with you?
Ma'am, in my group, Jigyasa is there.
Okay, Jigyasa. Okay, fine. Um, Jigyasa is there right now? Jigyasa, are you there? No, she's not here.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
maybe
Then
she'll join in some time. Doesn't matter, you continue.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
here is it. The nav bar is there at the top.
Okay.
Ma'am, all the features at the nav bar is working right now. Ma'am, so you just guide me what should I click now?
Anything you are presenting, okay? We are just audience. We are just going to see it. You are giving the presentation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's your creation. You will decide how you will demonstrate it.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so first I'm showing the home page. Ma'am, here this is about the description of our web page.
Okay.
Ma'am, here
What
to
is
know
your
more
web
about.
page about? I mean, your web page is for which purpose?
Ma'am, this web page is regarding the travel agency of MP.
Okay, you have uh, figured out quite a catchy name, Exploranza. Good. I like that.
Yes, ma'am. So to know more about us, there is a hyperlink here.
Okay.
Then exploring Madhya Pradesh.
Mhm.
Then some places to visit.
You can use linear gradient or radial gradient as the web page background. Okay, that is one suggestion I am giving you. So your web page would look good in that
Yes,
case
ma'am. I
instead
want
of
to know how. I've just forgot the codes. That
few more CSS I will teach you in the next class to all of you. In fact, in that case, then you'll be able to apply all those features in your web page. Good.
here it is, and
Mhm.
this is the last. Then to know more about more exciting places, we have to click
Just
here.
click on it and show me what happens when
Yes,
you click. Okay,
ma'am. This
these
is
are
our
the
page.
okay.
Ma'am, in this all the places, most of the places are covered here.
Vedaghat spelling is wrong. Okay, you are creating a website and people are going to come and see it. Okay, so make sure that the spellings are correct. Vedaghat spelling is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Tazul Masajid, we write it. Okay, museum spelling is also wrong. Good, good. Otherwise, it's good. And you can just change the plain white background.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Tour packages spelling is also wrong. See, the person who is working on the content in your web page, that person has to take care of the spelling mistakes also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Fine. Good.
Ma'am,
Tour
and there.
packages, which all
Uh,
packages do you provide?
ये क्या खुल गया? Ma'am, just a second.
Hmm.
Ma'am, there is a then arrow key also here at the corner. By
Mhm.
pressing it, I can go to the top.
Okay, good. Very good. You use that. Hmm.
Ma'am, then packages.
Okay. Seater. 4 kilometer per person. Okay. Good. Nice. Good.
Ma'am, you can sign in also and in About Us page.
Okay. That's nice. Very nice. Okay. Good. Well done. Very good work done by you people. Nice. You can just work a little bit on the background. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
that way it would be. Have you used Bootstrap also in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where have you used Bootstrap? Just show me.
Ma'am, the links.
Bootstrap you have used somewhere.
Ma'am, the links. Home.
No, you were not getting it. Doesn't matter. So it's good, wonderful, nice, good clap from my side. But few more changes. Firstly, you need to some suggestions. You need to check the proofread the entire content, remove all the spelling mistakes. First thing.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
thing, the plain background could be modified using linear gradient or radial gradient. Okay, that you can do. You
Yes.
can work on your font also a little bit, some catchy fonts. And logo is good, it's kind of simple also, catchy also. Only thing, you need to remove the background from your logo, like a square background like this, it doesn't look good. So always logo should have a transparent background. Try to create a transparent background logo. Okay,
You.
so
Okay,
very
ma'am.
good, Rachit. Wonderful, and you really worked hard on it. You and Jigyasa, I really appreciate your efforts. Please do continue to enhance this. Okay, don't stop it here. इसको और बढ़ाते जाओ.
Okay,
Understood?
ma'am.
Okay, very good work. Okay, next I'm going to Preet, uh, Preet Padampal. Have you
Yes,
created
ma'am.
any website?
Yes, ma'am. I've created a web page, but
Okay.
ma'am, I am using Teams with phone. So shall I turn on my camera?
Yes, sure. Turn on your camera and show it to us, please. I've made you a presenter.
Yes, ma'am. Here it is. Ma'am, I've created a kind of blog, a single web page,
Okay.
and here I've created a table of contents.
Just
There
a
in
second. Just a second.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
I've created table of contents. Ma'am, here it is. I've done internal linking over here. For example, here it is tribal museum. I'll click on it, and it directly takes me there.
Do you have Teams app on your system, computer?
No, ma'am. I am not using
Okay.
it from PC.
Okay. Okay. ठीक है. See the background which you have used, Preet. It
Yes,
is getting tiled. Okay. So it's better that you use a large background which is sufficient enough to cover your entire web page. That way, that
yes, ma'am.
tiling effect, no, it's not looking very good. So otherwise, your web page is very good. Only that is destroying the entire image of it, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
brush खत्म कर रहा है
I
वो.
have. हाँ मैम, तो मैम ऐसा क्यों हो जाता है मैम? ये सिंगल पे
The
क्यों
thing is,
पूरे
actually, when you are using a background image, if the image is small, then HTML will automatically tile or repeat that background many times to fill the page, to fill your web page. Got it? So that's why if you are using a high resolution background, always go for high res images, okay? So that it fills up your entire background. Understood? And what else?
And ma'am, I've given here popular attractions, entry fees,
Okay.
and coordinates, that if someone would enter these coordinates in Google Maps, then he would directly been given the location and direction.
Okay, very good. Good thinking.
And response. and I have given 5 places here
Okay.
of to be visited in Bhopal. That is first I have given Shaurya Smarak, then this Van Vihar National Park,
Okay.
and rock shelters of Bhimbetka,
Oh, that's good.
and then Tribal Museum.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Then the same popular attractions and entry fees are that.
Okay.
Then Birla Mandir.
Can you one suggestion for
Yes, ma'am.
your unordered list? Okay, I did
Yeah.
not teach that. No, in the next class when I teach you some more CSS properties, you can apply those properties over here. Okay,
Yes.
and you can enhance your web page even more.
Okay, ma'am. And then here other
Did you
more
do it
attractions.
alone or did you do it with someone?
No, ma'am. I did it alone last night only.
You did it alone. Okay, spend a few more nights, then we'll get some nice work on it.
Yes,
Okay, so
definitely.
good work. Very good, Rachit and Preet. Wonderful. And now Yashnir also. Um, you can turn off your camera, Preet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Yashnir.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm making you a presenter here. You can share your screen with us. I made you a presenter. You can share your screen. Yes, Brahmajot, next is your turn. Okay, keep your website ready on your system.
Ma'am, is
Okay,
it
good.
visible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
just can
this is
you
my home page.
yeah, but one second. हाँ, ठीक है, good. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Okay, you have
this is my
taken.
home page.
Good. See, I want to just
Ma'am,
stay here, okay? 1 second. I need to give some instructions to everyone. See, you can see how he has used some creativity to show the background of Bhopal, and on the lake, Bhopal is being shown with a proper contrast. You can see Bhopal Swachhata Ki Rajdhani and created by, and it is shown in such a contrast, right? That is, he has used this creativity. So you can use this creativity. Okay. Only thing which I don't like right now is this welcome to Bhopal, which you have written in red. It is barely visible. We cannot see, make out anything. So this welcome to
okay, ma'am.
Bhopal could be shifted somewhere else, or can you give
Ma'am,
a
at this side,
proper,
can
you can
we can
increase
put.
its font size and you can just give it some other color.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now continue.
Ma'am, I had, ma'am, in Bhopal, we can, it is my home page. Ma'am, in next page, ma'am, hotels.
Okay. What is this?
Ma'am,
SPE
hotel,
equals rolling. Check the spelling.
ma'am, where?
View of.
Ma'am,
Second
where?
line has full frontal view
Ma'am,
of
this?
SPE. This is
Yes, ma'am.
something, I think it's
Ma'am,
a
I
spelling
had
mistake.
copy from the, ma'am, I had
बेटा सिर्फ
copy.
कॉपी नहीं करना है, आपको चेक भी करना है कि आपका कंटेंट सही है कि नहीं, because
Okay, ma'am.
people are going to come and visit your web page and they are going to check it. So that also has to be done. Okay. See, and this sentence is also incomplete. Middle of MAJO.
Ma'am, it
है
is
ना?
Majo only. Ma'am, it is Majo only.
It's not going with the sentence पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. It's looking kind of awkward. So it doesn't matter. What you need to do is, Yashnil, you have to think about the content of the web page also,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Content be like I already suggested Rachit Gupta. That content has to be thoroughly proofread and there shouldn't be any spelling mistake there. You have to
Okay,
follow
ma'am.
English grammar rules there, okay? Because people are going to
Okay.
come and visit it. And you can also change the plain white background there. Use linear gradient or radial gradient or
Okay, ma'am.
background image, okay?
Ma'am, in my PC, I had make very good from here, ma'am. I am in Ujjain now.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
ma'am, so I had taken my web pages in my pen drive. Ma'am, that pen drive I had uh forgot in Bhopal only at my
Okay, it
home.
doesn't matter.
Yesterday,
Whenever you come back, you can change it.
yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, this,
Mhm.
ma'am, city Bhopal. Ma'am,
This information can be made a little bolder and font
yes,
can
ma'am.
be increased because you are giving
Yes,
some important information about Bhopal city. How far is the airport from this hotel?
yes,
How
ma'am.
far is the railway station? So this font size, this area could be highlighted. Okay.
Ma'am,
So you have to do
this
something
one.
so that this area is highlighted. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Go back
Ma'am,
to the main page.
more
Okay.
main
More is
page. Okay,
अच्छा
ma'am.
नहीं ठीक है
Ma'am,
हाँ go to the main page. So here you are describing all the hotels.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All
Ma'am,
the amenities also, you can also add the various amenities provided by each of the hotels. What are the
okay,
facilities
ma'am.
being provided there?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, whether a
It
swimming pool is provided or not, how is the room service, what are the customer ratings? Okay,
okay, ma'am.
so these things you can provide. Go
Okay,
back.
ma'am. Ma'am, now
This
we
is just the
came.
outer view. थोड़े बहुत inner view होने चाहिए. एक outer
Okay,
view
ma'am.
रखो, एक reception का view रखो, एक suite मतलब room का view रखो. Okay, keep it that
Okay,
way.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Next.
ma'am, in this I had put one video also for
Okay.
this Bhopal.
So you have embedded
Ma'am,
a video. Very good. Good. Nice.
ma'am, it is audible for you. Ma'am,
Yes,
it is
yes, I can
audible.
hear. I can hear. Yes.
Ma'am, so may I play or
No, no, leave it. We'll
okay, ma'am.
check it later on. Okay. Otherwise, the class
Okay,
time
ma'am.
would be wasted. It's good.
Okay, ma'am.
It's looking very good, and we can hear the voice also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
Bhopal history.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had take the map
Okay. You've included a
of
map.
matlab-
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this
Good.
one only.
Hmm.
Uh, ma'am, ma'am,
Hmm.
earlier history, ma'am, according to the ma'am before 11th century or in 11th century, this history has taken
Okay.
this one,
History spelling is wrong, dear.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Huh? Change the spelling.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, and places.
Okay. Good. Just stay here. Stay here. Just stay on that button. Just show that button. I want to show this to
Ma'am, this
everyone.
one.
Everybody can see these buttons. He has put these easy navigator buttons on his web page. Okay. So that easily you can move forward or backward. So you can see how he has done this. Right? Very good, Yashnil. Good thinking on this.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Raja Bhoj.
Okay. Now see this image, Yashnil, you can just decrease the width because unnecessarily it has been stretched.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा
Ma'am,
उसका
it
width
is
कम कर
still
देना.
here only. Ma'am, it is still here
Okay.
only. I had said it. Ma'am,
हाँ,
to cover the page, the blank. Ma'am, again
okay.
we came to the main page, home page. This is my web.
Good. Anyways, very good work, Yashnil. You can stop your share. So wonderful. Yashnil also worked very hard on this. Anyone else is there? Yes, Brahmajot Singh, I'm making you a presenter. Students, I'll be taking some time because your hard work also has to be.
I'm not using a PC.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I can show it on my camera only.
Yes, show me. Show us.
Yes, ma'am. Just, ma'am, only 1 second.
See, students, you can see it very well. That how some students have worked really hard on their web pages. Why I'm showing this to you so that you also get inspired and you also do it yourself. Okay. Okay, this is your web page. Fine.
Yes, so, ma'am, first of all, I have added list so to that place, the page. So if I click on Manav Sangrahalaya, then I'm directed here. And for again going back to top, I'll click here, back to top, and I'm here. And so, ma'am, as now I have gone to like Sair Sapata, so here I have written in one line that click on the image to know more about Sair Zapata. So when I click on
Okay.
the, I will be directed to another web page
Okay.
like this. And then
Here you
for
can
going back
insert
to the
few more images of Sair Zapata, few high resolution images also, so that people are mostly attracted by images and graphics. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
so you can just provide a few more large images of different views of Sair Zapata, and that would be like, it will make this web page complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Then when I go to previous web page, then ma'am, I have means added two videos also in this. Like
Okay.
if I go to the bottom of this, then here is one link that click here to see a beautiful video of the city of lakes, the tourist's paradise. So when I click there,
Okay.
I'll be directed to YouTube.
Okay. Okay, you have inserted a YouTube link. Very good. See, one more innovative idea.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm using phone internet, so it is working slowly.
It doesn't matter. You have done this, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's saying one. Okay, good.
That's like that.
You can stop this video right
Yes,
now, otherwise your data will
yes,
be
ma'am.
consumed. Okay, stop this video.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, we have seen this. Good. So whenever somebody visits his website and clicks on that link, he or she will be
Yes,
redirected
ma'am.
to YouTube. Good.
And also, I have also added another video with this Bhojtal Lake. When I click on its image, its page will open, and here it is. Click here to see a beautiful video of the aerial view of Bhojtal Lake and its surroundings. So when I
Okay.
click on this, and
Mhm.
so this time also I'll be directed to YouTube. It's another
Okay, good.
video of the same part.
Good,
It's
good, good.
advertisement. Sarka
Don't show the video. We'll see it
Yes,
later. Okay, when you actually
yes,
host
ma'am.
this web page, we will be seeing it that way.
Yes.
Good.
Actually, ma'am, I have made this in less time, so I was unable to add CSS.
Doesn't
But
matter
I'll
now that you have at least started, you can continue. You can keep adding features to it. Okay.
yes.
Good work.
Okay.
Okay, so you can stop your camera. We'll switch over to Aditya Soni now. Okay, yes, Aditya Soni. Are you sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am, I will share my screen.
Okay, then I'm making you a presenter here. I've made you a presenter. You can share your screen now.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everybody is watching very carefully.
Ma'am, is it coming?
Yes.
So, ma'am, I've
Buttons,
created.
one suggestion right in the beginning. Menu
Yes.
color. Please change that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Make it a lighter color, because text is also dark and the menu color is also dark. So, or either you can make it like the text can be made a little more lighter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am,
And this,
previously I have made the lighter, but it due to some CSS it changed its color actually.
doesn't matter. We'll solve that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll solve that problem.
So, ma'am, I've created a simple short web page of Bhopal,
Okay.
tourist place. So here are the following history of Bhopal, short note on it, and here are some famous places of Bhopal like Sanchi Stupa. It's if we click on its image, we
Okay. Yes. Good.
directly to a page. Here are some history and photos. If we just click on this button or text, we get back on the main page, and like this Manwa and Tikri, the same as, and the menu. These are hotel and resorts. Actually, created. We were doing it in a group, but later the plan changed, so we all made it on our own. So I didn't pasted the photos.
Okay. Doesn't matter. You can continue. Keep continuing this. Right.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can keep working on this in the future also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this restaurant page
Okay.
list and activities list, DB Mall,
All these things
shopping.
can be backed up with nice catchy titles, images, everything, and a few
Yes, ma'am.
points, like few information given in highlights or points, so that way it
Ma'am,
would be like very easy to for people like these visiting DB Mall, how to reach, which all conveyance modes of conveyance people can take. So this important information. Hmm. Hmm. Next.
so ma'am, this much. And ma'am,
Okay.
just one doubt.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in here when I just place my mouse pointer in the this area, it clicks and just takes me to this point. Not only on this text, but it also on the rest of the page.
Some problem in hyperlinking it is there, I think. So we'll do one thing. Some other time, just give me a call. We'll join through this schedule only, and at that time we will solve this. Okay.
Yes,
Maybe
ma'am.
sometime in the afternoon or evening you can call me, and we'll get connected through Microsoft Teams, and there we will solve this problem. Right?
Yes, ma'am. And
Huh.
ma'am, just another problem. When I inserted these images, this underline came up.
We'll solve all these problems. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, is it
Okay.
good?
Yes, it's good. And you have used the menu, so I like that. Only thing few colors, and you can
Yes, ma'am.
also give some gradient color in the background.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope everybody saw this, and you might have learned something or benefited from it. Those who have created it, a very sincere effort you have put into it. So I really appreciate that. Please don't stop here. Keep enhancing your web page. Keep adding new features and new information and make it into a full-fledged dynamic website. Right? So keep doing that, and I want a similar effort from other students of the class also. Right? Whenever you are free, you can work on it. Clear? So now we'll start with our class, Introduction to Databases. We had already started with it. So we had seen why we use databases. Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
I
yes.
had also made
can we go on with some other topics?
Can you?
Make our websites with some other topics.
Which topic you would like to make it on? Tell me.
I would like to make it on fine arts.
Fine arts. Yes, good. That is, I think, it's your domain. So very good. Think about the concept and what exactly are you going to show it? Is it kind of a blog which you are going to make where you will be displaying your artwork?
Ma'am, I would be finished doing the
You can do one thing, Dipti.
artist famous artist.
Listen, Dipti, one thing you can do in this, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
also add some information regarding art, traditional art. Now, see, very good. Dipti has taken this up. It's very good regarding our subject also, because now CBSE has included art integration into the subject. Okay, so you can explore art to any extent, right? So you can give information regarding several art styles, right? Different kinds of paintings or different kind of techniques which are used. You can do that also. What were you saying, by the way?
Ma'am, I was saying I would like to show different kinds of arts and artists, their famous paintings,
Oh,
and the
very good, wonderful, good. You can go ahead with this, use all these features. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who else?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
no, I have
Kushagra,
also made a website.
do you want to display it?
We,
Can you share the
I
screen?
am Nikhil. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. Let me make you a presenter. 1 second. First, I'll stop my screen share. Okay. Students, don't leave the meeting, because you are getting a chance to view some good work by your classmates. purposely this is very this would be very helpful for you also. You will get inspired by your classmates and you will also try to create something similar to this. Okay.
Ma'am, my screen is visible to you?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Ma'am, this is my website, Tourism 9
Okay, good, wonderful, nice. बेटा थोड़ा सा
Ma'am,
ये जो है ना लास्ट वाला लाइन,
बाद
we
में
have
मैं
the best people, it's not visible. Two lines are not visible
Ma'am,
because it is getting mixed with the background.
Ma'am, I just edited 5 minutes ago.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Because
You
I
can keep
forgot.
changing this. These are just suggestions, okay? Okay, you have included a search button also. Fine, good.
I mean, it's not responsive much, but we can type it. Ma'am,
Actually, right now it won't. See, that search box will work only when you are embedding it with a server-side scripting language. तो वो तो आपने नहीं किया ना. आप अभी सिर्फ website designing का काम कर रहे हो. So that's good. That's okay.
Ma'am, here is sign up. Sign up.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, we have.
खुद बनाया है बेटा ये? खुद बनाया है आपने? This
Yes,
page have you
ma'am.
copied? No,
Ma'am,
have
थोड़ा
you
बहुत help
designed
ली
this
है, और
page?
थोड़ा बहुत बनाया है. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. It's kind of
थोड़ा बहुत
very
help लिया था मैं
professional.
भैया से और YouTube से भी.
Okay.
And then there is sign up button, and if we have an account, you can sign in also.
Okay.
And my editor go to home button.
Okay.
And now
just type something. Just type something on that. In login, just type something in the username and password. I want to see whether that sign up, that login button gets enabled or not, because we do this using JavaScript mainly.
No, ma'am.
Acha. Okay.
It does not get enabled.
Okay. There you have to actually include programming there. That's why. Okay. You have created a side menu. Okay, good. Nice.
Now I have included 6 places, 7 places to visit in Bhopal.
Oh, wonderful. See, one more thing which he has just take it back to Manas Sangrahalaya. Manas Sangrahalaya. बस यहीं रुके रहना. Let me explain certain things to others. You can see how he has used the color scheme. Like the background is kind of a ochre yellow color, so he has used that ochre yellow color as a background for the text and for the text color also. So this is kind of an innovative idea. Okay, this go to home is not getting highlighted, so you can highlight it so that it is clearly visible. Okay, you can do that. So this color scheme I liked.
And if you place the pointer on it, it gets highlighted.
But still, I think it should be a little more visible in the page. It should be a little more visible right in the beginning. Of course, when you are placing the pointer, it gets even more highlighted. But you can just make it a little more visible on the page. Okay.
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 Ma'am, we have packages also.
Okay.
3 types of packages.
Okay.
Premium, deluxe, and luxury.
Okay. What you are providing in
premium?
Okay, 5 days, 4 nights stay. Good. Okay. Nice. Good.
Ma'am, now we have deluxe package. 8 days, 7 nights stay.
Okay. At Uras Sabha. अच्छा, ये जो one more thing, Kushagra, wait. Just take us back to deluxe.
Yes, ma'am.
ये जो तुमने लिखा है ना, only at ₹22,000. Now this is per night stay or what? That you. अच्छा, this is the complete package.
Full package.
Full package. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Continue.
And now your luxury package.
Okay.
And we have photo gallery also.
Okay, I'll see all of them. Okay, you have created a collage there.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I have put a filter on it, and ma'am, when you place a cursor on the photo, it
then it
gets
will.
the color back.
Okay, good, nice innovation. Good. See, he has included this
And ma'am, we
also.
can see the
One thing you can do, the images are not of the same size. So can you make the thumbnail images of the
Yes,
same size? So later on you do that, okay?
ma'am, I made this photo collage in a hurry
Doesn't matter. This
because
is
we
just a
didn't
suggestion
have
so
time.
that you keep enhancing it. आगे जब और काम करोगे ना तब कर लेना ये. It will look even better.
Ma'am, I got to know all this when I was making the HTML website for inter-school competition with that.
Okay,
him.
okay, nice. So you keep practicing so that next time when again such a competition, maybe they might organize an online competition for this. तो उसमें आप लोग कर सकते हो ये चीजें, है ना? You can apply all these things.
But offline competition was more
Not
interesting.
offline. Online competition means they might provide you some time. But never know, है ना? Let's see. Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
this was my
Nice. You worked hard on this. I can feel that. Good. Very good, Kushagra.
I'm stopping the share.
Yes, you can stop the share. So you all saw, anyone else is there who wants to share something? I hope you all have seen this and you have really benefited from this. See, it's good that many of you are applying ideas, different ideas, and trying to create something new. So that is something which I really liked, very good. And I want others also to learn and get inspired. Okay. So coming back to databases, what is a database? As I had explained, it is a large repository of data which is collected on a daily basis. Why do we use it? We use it to store data related to almost any type of topic, any type of thing. Second, let me take the attendance because it is time. So we use it to store data on any type of topic, whether you have to store vehicle information, student information, product information, anything. Okay. Why it is required? Because manual record keeping was laborious, time consuming, and it was also very it used to be very hectic also. That is, it people used to get tired looking for or searching for records for the whole day. So manually it was very difficult to keep your records. Hence, it is an electronic record keeping system which enables us to quickly find the record or the thing which we are looking for. So it is a collection of information that can be accessed, managed, updated, and deleted. Databases can be classified according to types of content like bibliographic. When I say bibliographic, it means sources from where you have taken the content. Full text, numeric, images, almost any type of data can be stored. Data could be alphanumeric, data could be only numeric on which you can perform calculations like integers and decimal numbers, that is real numbers. You can have images, that is raw data. Any type of data can be stored. Some examples you can see. This is a small screenshot which has been taken from an Excel database. So product name, list price, target level. Calculate age. Target level is usually that level of the inventory that wherever it reaches, if suppose it reaches this target level, this is the point when more of it has to be ordered. Okay, that is reorder level. खत्म होने लगता है तो हम यहाँ पे एक टारगेट लेवल सेट कर देते हैं such that the moment it reaches that amount, it has to be reordered from the warehouse or from the wholesale retailer. calculate age. So you can see over here ID, last name, first name, birth date, that is date of birth, age with months. So this is again another example. Then here you can see customer name, customer address, order number, order date, stock number, quantity, price, total sales. So any type of data can be stored. Even the student's data which is stored, student name, roll number, class, section, marks, that is also a database. There are usually 4 types of databases: hierarchical, relational, network, object oriented, out of which we are working with this one, relational databases. Okay. Now DBMS. You might have heard this many a times. D stands for data, B for base, M for management, S for system. That is having a proper software which can manage the data, which can not only store the data. When we talk about DBMS, we are talking about a software which will manage data. It will not only provide us facilities to store the data, but also to insert new data, update data, and delete the data, and also to extract data whenever we need it. So all these facilities are provided by the DBMS, and DBMS is actually a software. See, these are some of the very common softwares which are available, like Oracle, PostgRE SQL, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, which we will study next year if you opt for computer science, Sybase, IBM DB2. These all are examples of various database management softwares.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why there were 3 companies that were they were used SQL over there.
Yes, SQL
Yes,
stands
ma'am.
for Structured Query Language. Query language. In short, we say SQL or SQL. Okay. So SQL is a object oriented, and this language is used for performing all these operations. All the relational databases, they use SQL as the standard language for performing all the type of operations on your databases by using commands. You have to learn certain commands in SQL in order to work on it. Like we use a create table command for creating a table. Okay, we use an insert command to insert records. We use update command to update the records. Okay, we use a delete command to delete the records. We use drop table command to delete a table. Okay, so there are various commands used which are specified in SQL. You have to, and then you can use this SQL to work on your database. That is the reason why these softwares, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgRE SQL. Not only this, we also have Oracle SQL Plus. So all these are RDBMS which use SQL. So that is why this word SQL comes, this abbreviation comes here. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Advantages of database systems. Now this is very important. Why database systems are used? So I will give you a very practical example over here. Just look at this very carefully. This is a college, this is a hostel. Okay. In a college, student records are maintained, and the hostel also maintains records of all those students who live in the hostel. Obviously, if it normally in Bhopal also you might have seen, we have engineering colleges and students from various states, they come and study here. So the college usually has a hostel, and it's not like all students who study in the college will live in the hostel. Only the outsiders. Okay, they are college students also, and they are hostelers also. So college also maintains student records and hostel also maintains the records of those students who live in the hostel. In short, 2 copies of the same table is stored in college and hostel. Now, this is Mehboob Kausar. He is a student of this college. He hails from Bangladesh. Hence, he currently stays in the college hostel. He's an international transfer student and he stays in the college hostel, and because his house is very far. So the college would also be having his data and the hostel also has his data. Mehboob's family is relocating from Bangladesh to Kolkata city and he seeks a change in his permanent address. So he wants to, now what is happening is his family is shifting to India. Kolkata is in India, so he is shifting to India, and so he wants a change in his permanent address. The old address was this, and the new address is going to be this. So that has to be a change being made in the address. He wants a change in the address. So in both college and hostel copies, his address is right now the old address. दोनों जगह पे अभी address क्या है? The Bangladesh address. Okay. Now he has to change it. So the college and hostel both have the same copies of the student records. Changes made to one of the copies won't reflect in the other. If you make change in the college copy, it won't reflect in the hostel copy. And if you make change in the hostel copy, it won't reflect in the college copy. So it is St. Stephen's College Hostel, and Mehboob approaches the college hostel reception and seeks a change in the permanent address. So he goes, it is approachable, he goes to the college hostel reception and just asks for a change. The hostel receptionist does it with ease. She is under the notion that the college admin knows about it. Now this receptionist is usually a person who has very limited knowledge. They are only well versed with fast typing and using Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay. So what happens is she had been given a training to perform simple data entry in a website, in a database application. So she is, all what she is doing is just entering the data. That's it. She has absolutely no idea that if she makes changes in this database, it won't be reflected in the college database. So she makes the change, as you can see it above. Just take a look over here. She makes a change over here. This highlighted thing shows that she has made a change. The hostel copy has the change, but the college copy does not. Now Mehboob's data is in a confusing state, because in the college copy his address is the old address, that is the Bangladesh address, and in the new hostel copy the new address is the India address. So now which one is the correct one? College will say he didn't approach us, so our data is the correct one. Hostel will say our data is the correct one. So who is saying that, whose data is the correct one? DBMS would solve this problem. Earlier, when we had flat file databases, or suppose suppose they had a manual database, this problem would have been there. But with a DBMS, you can have a centralized system. A centralized control over data could be there. Both college and hostel would share the same data. Changes made by hostel would be known to the college. So hostel, they make some changes there, and that change will be reflected back in college. So this is one very important feature of DBMS. Data redundancy. Now let me tell you what is data redundancy. Please make a note of it somewhere, students. Data redundancy. It is actually data repetition. Unnecessary replication or repetition of the same data item. Okay, that is known as data redundancy. So now you can see a flat file. And what information do you see here? Look at this table very carefully and give me your honest answers. इस table से क्या पता चल रहा है? What information are you able to gain from this table?
Ma'am, it is a data of a hospital.
Hospital, and you can see patient ID, patient name, date of birth, gender, phone, and doctor who is attending that patient. Okay, now students, the problem is we have already exceeded our time. It's 9:48, almost time for us to move on to our next lecture. So we will continue from this data redundancy in the next class. Okay, did you understand that example which I gave, old address and new address?